My name's Jimmy Myers. I own a farm called Front Nine Farm. We're in Lodi, Ohio, and we raise a very diverse group of plants and animals that we sell to the local community. I have owned the property since 2014. We've been farming there since 2015. The biggest risk that we took when starting our farm was just starting the farm. Leaving the security of a 9-to-5 job where we had salaries, we both had really good jobs, me and my wife, to start a farm where it was very much unknown, where we're relying on the local community to buy our produce and support us and help us grow. We're a 10-acre farm and we're competing against traditional ag that is huge monocrop farms. There's a lot of value in just the fact that it's so fresh and healthy. It's harvested the day before we distribute it to the customer. The quicker you pick the produce and give it to the customer, the better it tastes, the better it is health-wise, so the more nutrition the actual produce has, and the better it is for the planet as a whole. You're giving a nice, clean, pesticide-free product to the consumer. We started a meal program. It's very much like Blue Apron, where we provide the produce, then we tell you what you need to buy in order to make the recipes, and then we show you the recipes with the picture and how to make it. That's been our biggest success as a company. We love hearing and seeing what people make with the produce. The biggest benefit of our meal program are the health benefits and the taste benefits and the benefits to the environment. With lettuce greens specifically, most of those are grown in California and Arizona. They're picked and then put in a bag, gassed, and then shipped halfway across the country. By the time you get it, it's 2 to 3 weeks old. So it's been dying for 2 to 3 weeks. It was interesting when the pandemic hit. A bunch of other farmers started calling me. We banded together and started an online store. We still do an online store where people can order a la carte and pick up at the farmers markets or different pickup locations around Cleveland and around the farm. I love the connection with the community that we have. We have a 2-year-old daughter, and everybody knows who she is and what she's up to. All these people that buy our produce, they feel like family to me. I talk to them at the farmers market, at the meal program pickups. They refer to me as their farmer, and Jimmy's the guy that grows our food, and I like that. Thank you, Westfield, for spotlighting small businesses like mine. Visit the link on the screen to nominate your favorite small business today.